Have you ever stared at a computer screen, wallet wide open, and felt completely locked out? You need to pay a bill, transfer some cash, but for the life of you, you can't remember your Capital One login. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Juggling logins and passwords in today's digital world can feel like a never-ending game of memory dodgeball. But fear not, fellow forgetful friend. Regaining access to your Capital One account is actually a breeze. In this video, we'll walk you through, step by step, how to snag your login information and get back to managing your money with ease. Before we dive in, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room: security. Capital One takes online safety seriously, and so should you. That's why we won't be discussing anything specific to your account here, like usernames or social security numbers. This video is all about guiding you through the official Capital One process to retrieve your login details securely. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. There are two main scenarios we'll tackle: forgetting your username and forgetting your password. Scenario 1, username blues. The elusive username. It's the key that unlocks your account, but sometimes that key seems to vanish into thin air. Here's what to do if your username is playing hide and seek. Head over to the Capital One sign-in page. They make it easy to find. Just search for Capital One sign-in on your favorite web browser. Now, look closely at the sign-in area. There should be a link that says something like Forgot Username or Sign and Help. Click on that beacon of hope. Capital One will ask you for some basic information to verify your identity. This might include your social security number, date of birth, and maybe even the last 4 digits of your account number. Once you've provided that info, follow the on-screen prompts. Capital One will do their magic and hopefully unearth your forgotten username. Scenario 2, password woes. We've all been there. You type in what you swear is your password, but the dreaded incorrect password message pops up. Don't panic. Here's how to reset your password and regain control. Just like with the username situation, head to the Capital One sign-in page. This time, you'll be looking for a link that says something like Forgot Password or Reset Password. Click on that lifesaver. Again, Capital One will ask you to verify your identity with some basic information. Once they've confirmed it's you, you'll be guided through the process of creating a new, strong password. Make sure to choose something unique and complex that you won't forget easily. Bonus tip: don't use the same password for multiple accounts. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to reclaiming your Capital One login and getting back to managing your finances. Remember, Capital One also has a handy help center with tons of resources if you get stuck anywhere along the way. Security reminder. Before we wrap things up, a quick reminder: when creating your new password, avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Think strong, unique combinations of letters, numbers, and symbols. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.